Welcome to eFactsTech.
My name is Pradeep and today I will show you how to install or uninstall programs and apps in safe mode. So there are situations we cannot access normal Windows mode. Mostly it happens when you install a new program or application in your computer. But you can boot into the safe mode. So in these situations we can go to the safe mode and uninstall that particular program, and that can fix the issue. So watch this complete video and please subscribe my channel, like and share if it's helpful. So let's start now. So I'll tell you what is the safe mode first of all. So as per Microsoft, safe mode starts Windows in a basic state using a limited set of files and drivers. If a problem does not happen in the safe mode, this means that the default settings and the basic device drivers are not causing the issue. Observing Windows in a safe mode enables us to narrow down the source of a problem, and that can help us to troubleshoot the problem on the PC. In order to uninstall a program in Windows, the Windows installer services has to be running. But when we try to uninstall the software in safe mode, it gives a message that the particular service which we need, it's not running in the safe mode. So what we have to do here, there is a registry which we have to add that has the all information to run that particular service, and that can enable that feature, and we can uninstall and install programs in the safe mode. But again, there is a catch. It is not always possible that we can uninstall all softwares in the safe mode. There are dependencies specific to that particular program, and some services may not running in this safe mode. So we have to figure out which services are required, and we have to enable that also within the safe mode. So I'll give you the general idea that how we can go ahead and add those registries, and we can uninstall the programs or softwares. There's 3 registries which we have to add in the safe mode. So you can save this 3 registries. I'll mention the video description on the desktop in the new text documents, like the way I'm showing in the video. So you will have this handy when we need this to add in the safe mode. Now we'll go to the safe mode. For that, you can do a right click on the start logo, go to the settings, go to the update and security from this page. In the left hand side there is an option recovery, and then click on restart now under advanced startup. This will restart the computer and it will take you to the advanced option, basically the recovery portion of the Windows computer. Now on this page, click on troubleshoot, tap on advanced options, click startup settings on this page. Now click on restart to enable safe mode. Now on this page you can press number 5 from the keyboard or function key, that is F5, to enable the safe mode with networking. To restart one more time, and after that we are in the safe mode in Windows computer. Now we'll go to the control panel and try to uninstall a program, and let's see what is the error message. So click on programs and features in this. Now select one of the program. I'm selecting WinZip here, and click on uninstall. Tap on yes. Now this is the error message which we have, which talks about the services are not installed correctly. So we'll close this control panel and go ahead and add those registries which I was showing. So for that, open command prompt as administrator. Now we'll copy the commands which we have in that text document saved on the desktop one by one and try to run this. So I'm going to copy the first one. Now we'll try to paste in the command prompt. So you can use the instructions which I'm doing here, and hit the enter once you paste the command. It's showing the first command is successful. We'll go for the second one. So I'm going to run the second command now. Like, you can click on that command prompt symbol at the top and edit and then paste. Now that is also successful. We'll run the third command. which is netstat MSIServer. This is the installer service for the Windows actually. So click on paste, hit enter. Take some time to start the services. Now it's showing also successful. So we are all done here. I'll close this command prompt. We don't need this text document anymore. Now we'll go back to the control panel and try to uninstall the same program. Let's see what happens. So open control panel, go to the programs and features, select any program which you want to uninstall. Click on uninstall and tap on yes. So here we go, it's uninstalling. Now again, it's not necessary that we can uninstall all the programs. There are programs or software which needs their specific files. If that is not loading in this safe mode, that may not allow you to uninstall. But I have seen that most of the programs we can uninstall by doing this registry added to the safe mode. If you think this tutorial is helpful, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to like and share. If you have any suggestions or feedback about my channel or for this video, please feel free to mention in the comment box. Thank you.